Hello everyone! Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and longevity. Today, we're tackling a question many of you have probably wondered about: smoothies versus juices. Which one is better for your health? Both are popular, both are packed with nutrients, but which one really takes the crown? Let's find out. Let's start with smoothies. Smoothies are made by blending whole fruits and vegetables, which means you're keeping all the fiber intact. Fiber is a game changer for your health. It keeps your digestion smooth, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling full longer. They're also super versatile. You can toss in nuts, seeds, protein powder, or even oats for an extra nutritional punch. But keep in mind, too much fruit or sweetened ingredients can quickly turn your healthy smoothie into a sugar bomb. So, balance is key. Now, let's talk about juices. Juices remove the fiber, leaving behind the liquid packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This makes them a quick, concentrated source of nutrients. They're great for a burst of energy or a quick nutrient boost. But here's the downside. Without the fiber, juices can cause blood sugar spikes, especially if they're heavy on fruit. And because they don't fill you up, you might find yourself reaching for snacks sooner than expected. So, which one is better? It depends on your goals. If you're looking for a filling, nutrient-dense meal or snack, smoothies are your best bet. If you want a quick hit of vitamins or are on a detox plan, a fresh juice can be a great choice. Here's the bottom line. Both smoothies and juices can be great for your health if done right. It's not about picking one over the other, but about knowing when and how to use them in your routine. So, what's your pick? Smoothies or juices? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips and insights here on Health Options 101. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers to your health!